Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to remove someone you sponsored on Cash App. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is simply go and open the Cash App on your phone. Then I want you to click on your profile picture on the top right side, just right here. Once you click on your profile picture, here you can find all these options. Simply click on the support section, and after that, scroll down till you get here this section, something else. Click on something else, and now I want you to choose this option, Cash Card. Once you choose it, here you can find more other options. Now simply scroll down till you get here to this section, Contact Us. Click on Contact Support. Once you click on Contact Support, it will ask you these two questions, see more transactions or not about a transaction. Choose not about a transaction. Then here you should click on the chat button on the bottom right side. And now you can talk to Cash App representative and explain what is your problem in brief. Once you explain your problem, they will soon try to solve your problem as soon as possible. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.